Okay, so in this video we're going to look at how erosion can change the shape of a coastline. First things first, along the coastline there's different bands of rock. Hard rock, soft rock, hard rock, soft rock, hard rock. H for hard, S for soft, right? Now along this coastline, the waves are going to be attacking this cliff. We're going to get erosion along the cliff. Over a period of time, the coastline will change shape. The soft rock, which is more prone to erosion, especially erosion like hydraulic action, the soft rock will be eroded backwards, while the hard rock, which is more resistant to erosion, will be left sticking out. This produces two different features. Number one, in front of the soft rock, we now get a bay, and the hard rock, which is left sticking out, will be known as a headland, hard rock headland. So that's the first change, but we can take it further. So if we want to look at the changes being made to a hard rock headland, we just change this diagram, we turn it onto its side. So this is going to be our hard rock headland. Okay, use some imagination. So the headland, we're now looking at it side on, okay? So obviously it's rock, there's loads of cracks. Small cracks will turn into large cracks. Those cracks over time will eventually turn into a small cave. Now, one or two things can happen here when we've got a cave. The cave can erode all the way through the headland and come out the other side, or we can get two caves either side of the headland and they're going to be eroded and they're going to meet in the middle. When that happens, we will get a natural arch. Over time, due to a lack of support in this point here, and obviously a lot of weathering, freeze-fall weathering in particular, the arch will come crashing down. That's where the old arch would be. And this would leave a pillar of rock known as a stack. And once again, due to weathering and erosion combined, the stack will get worn down into a smaller pillar of rock called a stump. Now we can take that further. Obviously this is constantly changing. You know, this natural arch here will eventually turn into a stack. This cave here will eventually turn into a natural arch. You get the idea. It never stops changing. So we go from hard and soft rock to having headlands and bays, and then over time the headland will also display a number of different erosional features. So there we are.